Daily sketching is perfect for quickly improving your drawing. Let's get started and sketch some cute chicks. Use any brush you like, my favorite is dry ink. We will make 2 rounds. The first is very rough and loose. Draw a very rough shape, almost like a rectangle with rounded corners. Try to use many short, almost lazy brush strokes. Very gently touch, don't press too hard. Make a cross for the face in the middle. Draw very rough eyes and beak. Don't think about this too much, it's more intuitive drawing. Indicate some details like funny hair or wings. Even the tiny feet. Keep the sketching round very rough, just a base. The second will be more precise. You can also make a few lines stronger and define the shape. If you need a little help, grab a free practice sheet with my sketches and make the first round over it and to get some confidence in your brush strokes. Now try a different position and angle. Make a cross more towards the left side. And the right eye will be wider than the left one. Also, the right wing will be more visible than the left. Now another one. Turn it even more. So make the cross even more towards the left side. Here you can also add a peak of the tail. Visible just one wing, and you can change the position of the feet as well. Now try the front position, but bend to one side. So start with the spine and face cross. Draw 2 very basic shapes around the cross. Pay attention to the wings position, the right one is more stretched. Now sleeping on the side. Pay attention to the hair, wing and feet, how they can change angles in this position. Now it may be lying on its belly facing you. And here standing from the side. And for fun, try putting the cheek on the belly in the opposite way. Pay attention to the direction of the feet. Here, turn it over on the back. The direction of the feet will be upside down. Okay, now we will make the second sketching round. Start in a new layer and love the opacity of your first sketches. Be more precise, play with the details, but keep your drawing still very loose and lazy. You don't have to follow your first lines. Feel free to change the shapes if you want. If you have fun so far, try my more challenging tutorials or join my Easter Drawing Challenge. Maybe turn off the first sketch to see this new one more clearly. Keep empty space like dot in the eyes. Try another one. I draw with you one more, but you can redraw all of them. This sketching you can apply to more objects. Here is, for example, a bunny. Again, very basic rough shapes, just blocking the main parts. And the second round. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Join me on my Patreon for more challenging tutorials. See you there!